Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to be seeing me transform into a makeup look that is going to be inspired by Kat Christine. And we're going to talk about how pretty she is, how cool she is, and she has been coming up on Splitsvilla these days. A little about Splitsvilla, when I first saw her, and whatnot. Everything's gonna go down. So what are you waiting for? Let's get into it. In today's video, I'm going to be using this cute PR that I received from Maybelline New York, and this is the Fit Me range. They have cute little packs of lipstick and even foundations. I have a lot of things over here, you guys. So we're going to talk about these, the formula and everything in it. So I'm going to quickly show the picture that really inspired me to do this video. So this is her. Isn't she pretty? She's so cute. Just look at that picture. It's so nice. I love her hair. I love the way she wears her hair down, and she has a beautiful hibiscus onto her ear. So pretty. So I'm going to be trying my best to create a look something like this. Just one more picture of her. Wow. She also came on India's Top Model, and she has got a lot of fame from there. But she has also been an influencer for a very long time. Look at her hair, guys. It's so cool. I want to get something like that done to my hair now. Let's get this started. A little bang situation going on over here. So I'm just gonna do this. This is the easiest way. As you can see on the picture, the makeup is very natural looking. One thing that I have really seen about Kat is that she loves to wear this orangish or this nude but a little bit of orange tint to it lipstick, and she does the same onto her eyeshadow. I don't know if that is how she likes to do her makeup or if it's the edit that she does on her pictures. So we're gonna try to catch as close as we can. To start with a nice moisturizer. This is from Johnson's Baby. Cream is enough. I just need some hydration onto my face. Got a little bit on my eyes. Oh my gosh. Just making sure that I moisturize my face enough. If you don't know much about me, I love watching drama, and when I say drama, I mean like the Indian cringe-worthy drama. It isn't really cringe for me. I'm calling it cringe because of peer pressure, I guess. Because a lot of people think Big Boss, Splitsvilla and all these shows, they are very cringy and people who watch them are losers. So I guess I'm a loser. Using this Color Bar primer, it has been my all-time favorite. So basically, if you guys want to call me a loser, you can, because I absolutely love Big Boss and I absolutely love Splitsvilla. And there's nothing you can do about it. I'm going to still watch it. And these have been my all-time favorite. Like for Big Boss, I wait the whole time. Like, oh my god, Big Boss, Big Boss, Big Boss. Big Boss usually starts around October or something. And me and my mom, we love to watch the drama that goes down on Big Boss. I'm also a big fan of Splitsvilla because they have this fun couple task and it's really fun to watch, and I don't know, maybe someday I would like to do it with my special someone. Not really, that's not the ideal situation I'm hoping for. I'm going to quickly show you what I got. I have these cute little packs of lipstick from Maybelline. You can see, and this is so cool, just watch. This is a pack, you guys. And since this is a lipstick, I have this cute applicator inside. Isn't that the coolest thing? And this pack is of 2 ml and this one costs around 100 rupees. I think Maybelline is going to be launching these very soon. That's why they sent it to me. And oh my god, like the shades are so bomb. This shade is called Best Babe. This one is called Veritol. It's a very pretty pink nude. Ooh. I think this is something Kat would definitely love, so I'm gonna try this one on my lips today. I also have this shade, which is called Strip It Off. Isn't this pretty? And this shade is called the Soft Wine. Other than that, I have lots of mini packs of these shades from Maybelline Fit Me. Now this one is the matte and poreless formula. This one costs rupees 60. Well, it is for 59 and I'm just gonna call it 60. And the content, the quantity of this one is 5 ml. And they have sent me a lot of shades. And as you know, Maybelline Fit Me, they have a very amazing shade range for especially Indian skin, because we come in all shapes, sizes and shades. So we have 230, we have 220, we have 128, we have 330 toffee, we have 115, that's ivory, and then we have 310, that's sun beige. And these are very much amazing. I love the formula of them as well. So I'm going to be using these to create my inspired look. The shade is definitely very much richer for me, or richer for my skin shade. Kat always has this very beautiful sun-kissed and tanned look, especially on her forehead. So I'm going to be using this shade for that, and I don't know which shade to go, to be very honest, because I really like that bright effect. So I'm just going to zip up and stick with this one. I'm going to start with my eyes. For my eyes, I'm using this Fit Me 20. Dab a little concealer onto my lids, like so. I'm going to share a little story with you about how I met Kat Christine. I didn't exactly meet her, I just crossed her, and I think she's the most beautiful human being. She's like so fit and she's like so tall. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this Huda Beauty palette, the Rose Gold palette remastered. I'm going in with the shade called Hina. This is the shade I'm going in with. I saw Kat Christine when I think I was leaving Havelock. So I don't know if you guys know about this or not, but I recently went to Andamans with my friends. It's really amazing. Havelock is such a beautiful place, and I definitely recommend you guys to go there. It has the most beautiful beaches, especially Radhanagar beach. Oh my god, that one is so pretty. If you want, you can just start by packing the product on the lid and then blending it out. So long story short, I was leaving Havelock and Kat and Kevin, they were just walking out from their ferry, and I was getting into my ferry. And I have to say, she is so tall, and like her figure, like she is so fit, you guys, prettier in real. And she always has this beautiful tan on. I don't know where she gets it, or she gets like fake tan or something, but she always has this beautiful tan onto her forehead and elsewhere. I'm using a brush like this. It's a flat brush, using the shade Cocoa from, again, Huda, and I'm just gonna go where usually I apply my liner. Just do a sweeping motion, and if you want to pack a lot more than this, then you can definitely go into your packing motion. The mascara that I'm using in today's video is from Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl, and this is waterproof. I always suggest you to go with a waterproof mascara. As I have observed, I don't think Kat really does put a lot of makeup, so she definitely wears a lot of mascara, that is for sure. I'm gonna move towards my base makeup using these two shades, 220 and 330. Go to the areas where I would like to have some of that tan that Kat has, and I'm going to be applying it onto my nose where I usually contour. Oh my god, I have enough of this product on my hand, and this formula is really good because it also has SPF 20 in it, and I love makeup that has SPF in it because it really does provide that extra protection to your skin from the sun. So I'm going to use this small blender to blend it out, and you can already see my face looks so nice, and it has such a natural finish. Wow, it's so blendable as well. Coming to Splitsvilla, I don't really know what all goes down there, and if it's scripted or not. I'm being totally honest. I don't even know if Big Boss is scripted. A lot of people say that Big Boss is, but इतना कौन लड़ सकता है? मैं तो नहीं लड़ सकती. Fight so much. How can that be like all scripted? And you know, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. मुझे नहीं लगता कि scripted होगा. There's a lot of fighting. And oh my god, I think in this season, one of the most favorite that I had was definitely Asma. And she is the funniest, but unfortunately she got like evicted. But Kat and Kevin, they ended up being the idol match, the first idol match. Everyone thinks that Vyumesh is not too any good. It's like just using Kevin. There's so much drama, and like every Saturday before the new episode comes out, there's so much drama and to follow up on Instagram, because every one of these contestants, they go live and like they post stories. It creates a lot of news and it gets a lot of attention. Some people are still friends, some people are not friends. Kat and Kevin broke up. Things are crazy. Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Compact to Set My Makeup. Recent episode that I watched was episode 13. It got aired last week, and in it I think Rhea lost, and that also made a lot of crazy things up on the social media, and people were saying that she's really dumb. I don't want to put it this way, but I feel all of them just bully each other. I don't even know if that's the right way to address it, but I definitely feel like just everyone is like bullying each other. At the end of the day, it's just a game show. It can be because they are very much competing. This Hoola Benefit Bronzer. It is one of the most creamiest bronzers I have ever got, and I definitely recommend you guys this. Shivam is like just another character from the show, I guess. I don't even know if I should be calling him contestant anymore, because people say that he seems fake and he's all about that shyry things he says. And there are like already 2 groups in the villa. It is really fun to watch. Let me know which group you support and why. People are definitely onto Kat and Kevin's group. My group, people are gonna end up fighting, I feel, because they're like snakes. God. But I definitely felt sad because Rhea left, and that group is like not so big anymore. I definitely find Palak and her guy very cute. They're definitely very sweet, and I don't know, they feel like as if they're very genuine. You can see I've got that cat tan. I'm gonna go in with a little pink blush using the shade Bare It All from Maybelline. It isn't completely matte, it doesn't give that sticky feeling either, and oh my god, look at this shade. This is so cat. They should have named this. Oh, this is Cat Christine shade. I'm gonna directly go onto this part of my face, even though I've powdered it. I'm gonna like be very gentle with this one. It's looking cute. And I'm gonna put the shade on my lips. I'm sealing this look using Revolution's Hyaluronic Mist. I'm gonna go in. It's so refreshing, and we're moving to the hair. Kat always has her hair part down from the middle, so I'm doing the same. I'm gonna make a bigger box over here and then start braiding my hair. And you can keep it short as well, but since I have bangs, I have to make sure that this part actually gives me some of the length so I can braid my hair. Start doing your normal braiding. It really doesn't have to be that neat, but just make sure to do your best. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this chit-chat tutorial of mine. I hope you had lots of fun watching it. Mwah! Big kisses, take care of yourself, comment your queries and your suggestions in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and also subscribe to my channel. Mwah! Take care, bye bye.